We're going to begin our programming with the card class, which will construct a single card with a rank and a suit. We are going to give it an integer between 0 and 51, and that'll convert it to both a rank and a suit. So the rank will be 0 through 12. This will represent 2 through ace. The suit will represent one of the 4 suits. Okay, so the way we're going to do this is class card, and then our init is going to take some number. It'll be 0 through 52. It's going to accept an integer between 0 and 51. And then we need to create a rank and suit like this. So the way we're going to do this is the rank will be, we're going to use modulus division. So if we take the remainder of 13, so this will always return a number between 0 and 12. So that'll give us the rank. And then the suit, we will do integer division over here and divide it by 13. So the most it could be is 3. So the numbers 0 through 12 will map to 0, and then 13 through 25 will map to 1, and we'll do that. So we're going to just use tricks of division to make sure that we get this. So it'll make it a little bit easier if we create this. So we'll say card equals card of, let's just say 44, and we can output the rank and card.suit like this. So it'll be rank 5 and suit 3. So we have to just assign now what is suit 3, what does rank number 5 mean, and we're going to do that. We'll have a nice representation of that in the next video. But this is the simplest way to get started. Each card has a rank and a suit as an attribute, and it's just going to be, we just decided to create it with a number between 0 and 50. So it's given like one random card, right, between one of the 52 cards. If it's 51 is the largest one, we will accept. And this will rank 12 as suit 3. All right, that's it for the beginning of the card class.